last example. Okay, in this one, I have x minus y equals negative 4. Now look, this is standard form. This is a number times x. What's the number? Oh, it's an invisible 1. Times, and then plus a number times y. What's the number? Oh, a negative 1 equals a number. Okay, so this is still standard form. So I'm still going to do the same thing. I'm going to take the term with the x. I'm going to move it to the left side. So in this case, I have positive 1x. I'm subtracting 1x. And notice I could just write minus x, but I'm choosing to write minus 1x just because, I don't know, it makes my life a little bit easier just to be able to see it. And look, I'm going to do the same with the y. I'm going to write the negative 1. At the end, I'll make sure I don't write it because it looks kind of silly, but it just makes it a little bit easier for me to be able to see it. So here, I have y is almost by itself, but it's being multiplied by negative 1. So I'm going to divide by negative 1. And I get y equals, negative divided by negative is positive. 1 divided by 1 is 1. So this is just x. Negative divided by negative is positive, and 4 divided by 1 is 4. And I'm done. My line is y equals 1x plus 4. I would start my graph at 4, and then I would rise 1, run 1, right? That invisible 1 is my slope, okay? And here's your problem to try. Okay, now I want to point out here, once I move the x over here, y is actually going to be by itself. So your work is actually going to stop right here at this line because you're going to have one y, which is just y, and y is already by itself. So this one ends up being only one step. Go ahead and try it out. Reference the hints in Edge Elastic for help.